No, no. Truman, are you going to enjoy your red velvet cake? Are you? Would you like to eat your cake? Would you like to have some of your cake right now? Or do you want to wait for later? Would you want to eat your cake? Okay, go eat your cake. How's your cake, Jimmy? Is that cake good? Oh, do you love your cake? You like your cake? Truman, is it all gone? Oh, it's all gone. You ate your cake. It's all gone, buddy. It's all gone. It's all gone. You ate your cake. Okay, your cake is gone. Yes, what a good boy. You good boy. You get your mommy. Okay.